Hey everybody, my name is Lou Reyes and welcome to Over 50 TV. You know, if you're somebody who has been walking around and you're saying to yourself, I'm tired of working for someone else, I've got to take control of my life. If you also say it's time to start a business, if you're at that point, well, I want to congratulate you. But I also want to respectfully say it's about time. One of the questions that always seems to swirl around people's heads when they decide they are going to launch a new business is this: do I need an attorney? Well, listen, before I give you my answer, let's do this. Let's make sure we're on the same page. When somebody says, do I need an attorney when they're going to start a business? I think what they're really saying is this: do I need an attorney to fill out the legal paperwork? Now, I want to stress I'm not an attorney. I'm absolutely positively not giving you legal advice. But what I'm going to give you today is practical advice. These are things that I've learned over decades. So let's get started. I'm going to make a blanket statement. What I believe is this: I believe the simpler your business, the less likely you'll need an attorney to fill out basic paperwork. I'm pretty sure most entrepreneurs believe that same thing. You know, the online legal services industry, according to IBIS World, they're a global company and they provide industry research. They looked at the online legal services business, and what they're saying is this: it's a $4 billion industry, and they expect it to grow over the next 5 years as people are demanding affordable alternatives to the traditional lawyer fees. And as we all know, nothing is more affordable than doing it yourself. Now, let me tell you, there are five common business structures. You've got a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an LLC, subchapter S, and a corporation. In this video, what I'm going to do, though, is I just really want to talk about two common types of business structures. I'm going to talk about a sole proprietorship and a limited liability, or what they call LLC. A sole proprietorship, that is the simplest business type, and it doesn't require that you register with your state or your city, although I will suggest it's never a bad idea to reach out to city government, because you can just ask them, do I need any type of permit? What's good about a sole proprietorship, though, is you are entitled to all the profits, but keep something in mind: you're also responsible for all the business's debts, the losses, and the liabilities. The second one is a limited liability company, or what they call an LLC. It's another very common type of business. A couple of things that make an LLC popular is that members aren't personally liable for business debts or financial obligations, unless, of course, a member decides that they want to sign personally for something. Now, there's also far less paperwork that's involved, and especially if you compare it to a corporation. Now, you can create an LLC in two relatively easy steps. Step number one, you'll need to file articles of organization with your Secretary of State or other appropriate state agency. You can usually find the form on their website, and on their website what's going to happen is you'll also learn about any other documents that you should be filing. Step number two, you'll need an employer identification number, or what they call an EIN. An EIN is a 9-digit number. It's assigned by the IRS, and it's used to identify tax documents of employers. You can get your EIN number through the Internal Revenue Service website. And what I'm going to do is I'll put a link to the IRS page in the description box. Listen, this is absolutely free, but you will need one to open a business bank account. So that's it. That's literally all you need to do. You don't need an attorney to fill out the paperwork to start a business unless you're creating, and I want to make sure I mention this, unless you're creating a partnership or a corporation. Well, that's all I've got for you today, other than I want to say congratulations on making a decision to start your very own business. I know this: if you're really dedicated and if you're determined to control your life, starting a business is one of the best ways I know. So before I say goodbye, let me also ask you to subscribe to our channel. You can do that by hitting that little red button. It's underneath the screen. It's underneath the video, actually. All you've got to do, too, if you would, is hit that little bell, because that's going to get you the latest video updates that we deliver to your inbox. And if you hit that thumbs up button, that's going to let me know that you enjoyed watching this video. So, as I always say, have a great day, everybody.